The Scanner tab is where all the action happens. Once your MT5 is connected and settings are configured, this is where you scan for harmonic patterns and execute trades. Click Scan Market to start. The app scans every symbol and time frame you configured in parallel. A progress bar shows you which pairs are being checked and how many patterns have been found so far. Results appear in seconds. Each row shows the symbol, time frame, pattern type, direction, and entry SLTP levels. The quality column displays the ML confidence score with color-coded badges. Green is high confidence above 80%. Yellow is medium above 50%. Red is low below 50%. Use the filter bar above the table to narrow down results. Filter by symbol. Type part of a pair name like Euro, and the table shows only matching symbols. Filter by pattern. Choose a specific pattern type. Filter by direction. Buy, sell, or both. Filter by min quality. Only show patterns above a certain ML confidence threshold. Clear filters resets everything instantly. Each result row gives you everything you need at a glance. The symbol, time frame, which pattern was found, direction, entry price, stop loss, take profit levels, and the ML quality percentage. The quality score is your confidence indicator. Green means the ML model is highly confident. Click View to open the interactive chart and see the pattern in detail. The chart modal is your analysis hub. The candlestick chart shows the pattern with labeled X, A, B, C, D legs, harmonic wing shading, and entry SLTP lines. You can zoom in and out, hover for price data, and use the crosshair to measure distances. Click Toggle Levels to switch between standard Fibonacci levels and ATR-based volatility levels. ATR levels adapt to current market conditions with tighter stops in low volatility and wider stops in high volatility. When you are ready to trade, choose your take profit level, TP1, TP2, or TP3, each based on ATR multipliers of 1.5x, 2.0x, or 3.0x. Set your risk as a percentage of account balance or use fixed lots for precise position sizing. The app calculates the lot size based on your SL distance. Click Place Trade, and the order is sent directly to MT5. The app handles broker symbol suffixes and order type fallback automatically. That is the Scanner tab. Scan your markets, filter results by quality, analyze patterns on interactive charts with ATR levels, and execute trades in one click. Ready to take your harmonic trading to the next level? Visit harmony.fxmath.com to see the full feature list and grab your license. One-time payment. Lifetime updates. Start scanning smarter today.